A very good day, I bid to Dr. Alfian. My name is Pavitra Suresh, and today I'm going to present about analysis of cash flow of giant freshwater prawn farm at GK Aquacenter in Berhad. Moving on to background of study, the cash flow is a net amount of cash and equivalents being transferred in and out of a business. In some cases, it can be defined as cash paid by customers for services or goods provided by entity. So there are three types of cash flow, which are operating activities, investing activities, and also financing activities. The objective of this case study is to determine the feasibility and the cash flow in the GK Aquacenter in Berhad farm. The benefits of this study is the management of this company can create an estimation where the cash flow in and out becomes very necessary to make future plans, and the statement can give information about the cash flow from the sources, which is GK Aqua Sendirian Berhad. The product view, we are looking about genus Microbiome that are distributed throughout the tropical and subtropical zones of the world. It is previously named as M. rosenbergi, which is included in Palaemon order, and it is the largest genus of family. All freshwater prawns that have been cultured so far belong to genus Microbrachium, and about 200 species have been described, almost all which lives in freshwater in common. As for the farm description, the business type that GK Aqua obsessed is medium-scale hatchery in terms of capital investment, hatchery size, production capability, and scales of operation that holds 2 to 10 of employees capability. GK Aqua is a structure that is privately held operating company, specializes on sustainable farming, cultivates all male freshwater prawn using biotechnology method. And GK Aqua Sendirian Berhad is located in Negeri Sembilan, Malaysia. The history and ownership of this company is GK Aqua is founded in 2016 that was shaped and modified to implement its innovative technology to boost freshwater farming efficiency. And the CEO and founder of this hatchery is Jiva Kupasamy, a biotechnology graduate. For the production and operation, produced Microbiome rosenbangi species culture is well known as giant freshwater or udang kala, and the hatcheries are designed to produce high quality all male post larvae using clear water technology. As for the culture system, they use tank system in common, and GK Aqua Sendirian Berhad buys only new females at post larva stage at USD5 post larvae and grow them in broodstock over the duration of 120 days with a 2 harvest cycle. And the shallow tanks incomplete of biosecurity facilities, broodstocks are fed in a combination of formulated feeds imported from USA, and also they feed them with fresh squid. As for the sustainable sites and water quality, site sustainability selection is an essential condition for attaining maximum use of any land resources. So the giant freshwater prawn culture is an adequate supply of clean fresh water. The water quality includes all the inherent physical, chemical, and microbiological characteristics of water. As for the SWOT analysis, one of the strengths are user-friendly farming technology. Moving on to the weakness is increased trust building, cooperation, and networking between business on value chain. Opportunities are conducting mandatory training for critical operation and techniques for the workers and also the staffs. And as for the threats, the new regulation for export marketing is quite a difficulty for this company. And one of the biggest threat and weakness is the common disease of the prawn. So the main disease that is faced by this company is white-tail disease and also white spot syndrome virus. As for the theory of financial analysis, there are 4 types of financial analysis, which are liquidity ratios, profitability ratios, turnover ratios, and solvency ratios. And this provides useful information on financial condition of an organization based on its principal financial statements. As for the cash flow analysis, it is one of the most important financial statements for a project or business, and there are few criteria in financial analysis. As for the technical information about that company, there are few, which are land area culture tank, feed conversion ratio, culture period, final harvest weight of fingerling, price of giant freshwater prawn per kilogram, SSTC, and also few assumptions. And the cost of investments, annual fixed and maintenance cost, sale price and quantities produced by GK Aqua Sendirian Berhad per year, annual miscellaneous income, and also the marketing channels of this hatchery farm. And this is the cash flow statement of GK Aqua Sendirian Berhad. This is the break-even analysis. And in conclusion, I would like to conclude that cash flow is used to evaluate whether the investment for the project is feasible to be done or not. The annual production of GK Aqua Sendirian Berhad is RM 173,129.63 cents. The project is feasible with having a BC ratio more than 1, which is 2.02. And I am able to experience and gain information by conducting this mini project and research on building data analysis based on analytical formula. With that, these are the few references that have been taken for this case study. Thank you.